Welcome back, everybody. In this video, we're going to talk about TAO. Do we think TAO is ready to explode or is just setting up for a breakout trade? We're going to share with you everything you need to know. Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's go, Jomo.
Exactly, man. And tell us in the comment section what you think about TAO, because we think that TAO combined with a potential bounce on Bitcoin, we discussed that in the past video, so go check the Bitcoin video as well. We gave analysis about it. We think TAO can move. Look, I'm going to show you a very simple way of looking at TAO and understanding that the probabilities is with TAO continuing. How far we're going to check this out in a moment. So look at this, okay? If I take a line, just a horizontal line, and I go all the way back to November 2023, we can see that we had a support that got over here, the support, we got support here, okay, we got support kind of in this area and on this area as well. Now, in two instances, which I think are critical for this analysis, what we got is a shakeout that created from that shakeout a move up. This is the first one. You can see that this was the peak bottom, shakeout below the 195 or 190 area, whatever you want to call it, and then bought back. Yes, it needed some more time, but then it continued up and ferociously. And again, now in April, we had the same sort of shakeout, okay? Now, after a shakeout, you need to find a potential tradable bottom to enter into an entry. For example, over here, this is a trade we took in the community. Back over here, you can see the break of the 370 was that confirmation that we needed, and we made a beautiful trade on it. This was a beautiful trade, okay? Right now, we believe that what we had is somewhat potentially shorter, okay? We had a inverse kind of head and shoulder breakout. We took a trade here a couple of days ago, and now we are running with it up and up and up. How high can it get, CM? I don't really know, but I can tell you that right now what I'm seeing, potentially we go all the way back here and back down, potentially triple top. I don't see it going to new all-time highs, though if Bitcoin ferociously breaks above 110, that might happen too. But for now, we are trading TAO, and we think this is a tradable moment for TAO. 100% can be if you take it with a low risk entry, just like we did. What do you think, CM?
Well, guys, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. Really help the algorithm. I think TAO, again, same like you, man. I think he's setting up for a bullish move. You know, you can see that was a bearish move here. That was a bullish move. That was a bearish move. Now I think it's time for a bullish move for TAO. And yeah, we will see. Time will tell how it will behave. I don't even think it's gonna come to the top, man. I think it's gonna fail here somewhere. Maybe if we're lucky. Again, even if it comes to the top, man, I'm gonna be out of the trade probably before that. Now, if it will break the top, in the next couple of months or whatever, then I'm going balls deep on TAO. Obviously, I'm going balls deep on it. But till that happen, I'm going to trade the bounces, take my profits. Obviously, always use stops and manage risk because
For sure.
this is a risky trade, but it is actually a good trade for me. So
TAO, whenever it runs, it gives you some movage. You can make some money. TAO is one of those coins that was kind of kind to us because it does give you to make move. And CM, by the way, you said you're going to be bullish in new all-time highs, but if, for example, TAO runs now a 50% move, 70% move, creates a consolidation, sideways for a couple of weeks, a month, and then moves, you're going to take a trade. Otherwise, we are traders. People here need to understand that we are traders. We use stop losses, we use risk management, and we take the trades that have low risk and high asymmetric reward trades, right? So TAO, for example, one of those trades. And if people want to come and trade with us, okay, for example, another trade, people never heard about this coin, CM. Never heard about this coin. This is a coin that we traded in our community. It's called G7, okay? This is from 8 days ago. Show, please. 8 days ago, you can see that G7 long, take the entry over here. You can see, by the way, the timestamp, okay, actually is from April 12th, because that was the day of 8 days ago. And you can see that we took the breakout above the, let's call it, the 0.4 cents almost, or 0.004, and we had a stop loss like we always do. And if I take you all right, to the chart of G7 right now, you can see that we are already in quite a hefty profit. Very nice. And this is the thing, CM. If you come and you join us, okay, you will have the possibility to make these moves that we make. Stop waiting, all right, on the market to try and save you, whatever. This is G7, this is G7. Now, by the way, you can see that we already in profit for 25% and counting in this environment, all right, where things are not moving and people are losing money, to be up on a trade for 25% because we know what we're doing. I think CM is a very nice achievement. And this is not the only one, right? We are in other trades. We made shorts, made money on shorts. Now we're going long. The environment seems like it wants to go long. People need to join us now, all right? Not like last time because you were contemplating, yes, they know how to short, they're making money short. Let's see how it goes. No. This time, get in at the start. Make sure you long with us all the bullish environment before that flips and change. We don't know what will happen in the future. You have the April 10, coupon code. Use it for a 10% discount until, April ends. CM, this was TAO. This was our analysis. People need to comment in the section below. Join us in the WAP, okay, in our trading service. Make money with us. We will see them in the next video. Until next time, no edge.
No trade.
Cheers, everybody.